Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday in the mail I received some fine art Giclée prints of some of my paintings. If you're wondering what a Giclée print is, it's basically the highest quality of print that you can get for a painting. It really resembles an original painting except for the texture that you get from the paint on the top of the canvas. So I'm going to unbox the prints that I got, so that if you order some prints you'll know what to expect when they come in the mail. There's going to be 3 different types of prints that we're looking at today. 2 of them are on fine art paper. We're going to have smooth fine art paper and textured fine art paper. And the 3rd type we have is rolled canvas. So let's check these out.
Alright, so you get a box similar to this one. And I've already opened up these tapes on the sides and on the bottom there. So you can open up this top flap. Again, get the sides on this one. This flap will open up. There's 2 other small flaps. And then your prints will be inside, taped to another piece of cardboard here, as you can see. So we're going to pull this out and fold this back up. That can be used for something else. And here I've already detached the tape on the bottom, but you'll see that the prints are just taped so they're secure to this piece of cardboard on the inside. So we're going to detach each of them one by one. There's the first one. Here's the second. And really, if you rip this cardboard in the middle, it doesn't really matter that much. And here's the third. Alright, we're going to set that out to the side. Alright, so let's open these up. Just going to cut along the edge here. So you can slide it right out. I mean, from inside the bag, they look really good. Alright, let's slide this one out. So here is the mountain lion. This is on the smooth fine art paper. It's pretty thick. Feels like it's pretty good quality. That would look perfect in a little frame. Alright, we'll set this one out to the side. Now the deer here is on the textured fine art paper, I believe. So slide that one out. Yeah, this is the textured fine art paper. Honestly, I expected it to be a little bit more textured. You can feel that it is textured, but it is still quite smooth compared to what I thought it would be. So there's that one. The colors are great on that one. Looks really nice. Alright, and here is the last one, the grizzly bear. Let's open this one up. I'll slide this one out. It's our grizzly bear running on the water, and this is on folded canvas, or sorry, rolled canvas. And yeah, you can see it's definitely canvas. It is, since it is canvas, it is the most textured of all of them. It always has a 2-inch border on them, and so it gives you the possibility of framing it a little bit larger if you would like, or cutting it down to the size that you want. The quality on it's great, coloring's good. Overall, I'm quite happy with these 3 prints. So these are the 3 types of prints, plus the stretched canvas print, which I do not have here. But the stretched canvas print just looks similar to regular canvases that I have, such as this one, where it has 3/4 inch depth to it, and it would come back stapled on the wooden support frame. So a stretched canvas print would look similar to this one. These ones are ready to hang, whereas your fine art paper prints and your rolled canvas, you're going to have to frame yourself. And then the nice thing is you can put them on whatever frame you'd like, and that fits your style for your house. And yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with these.
Alright, thanks for watching today. If you're interested in purchasing a print, you can go to my website at www.briansloanartist.com. Go to my gallery, click on any of the paintings, and then you'll be able to see what sizes and what types of Giclée prints are available and for what prices. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me on any of my social media pages or at briansloanartist.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.